hate the emptiness, but mostly I don't recognize the face in the mirror anymore. Eyes full of war, heart cold to the core. Used to dream big, now I just survive. Every smile fake just to make it through the night. Friends disappeared when the lights went dim. Now it's me and these thoughts again. Room full of silence, head full of noise. Trying to hear God, but I drowned his voice. Every bad choice got blood on the floor. Every closed door made me insecure. I carry guilt like chains on my chest. Everybody says heal, but I ain't there yet. And I know I became what I feared the most. Somebody save me from myself. Late night staring at the ceiling fan, thinking maybe this was never God's plan. Trying to fix wounds with temporary highs, but the truth always finds me alive. I push away the people that care.